Culture. This word sounds so small when it is pronounced. But behind this word lies the whole gamut of principles, ethics, rituals and ideologies. It is this very distinctive culture of two Asian giants, namely India and China, that it has resulted in the amalgamation of two companies, Indophil Industries Limited from India and Shanghai Baijin Chemicals Group Company Limited from China, metamorphosing into one, Indobaijin Chemicals Pvt Ltd. The idea was to establish a facility dedicated towards producing CS2, carbon disulfide, a colorless, toxic, highly volatile and flammable liquid chemical compound, large amounts of which are used in the manufacture of viscose rayon. Cellophane. Smaller quantities are employed in solvent extraction processes or converted into other chemical products. Particularly accelerators of the vulcanization of rubber, or agents used in flotation processes for concentrating ores. In 2012, the joint venture was signed in the presence of the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Mr. Narendra Modi. And soon, India's first ever green energy CS2 plant was brought to life at Dahej SEZ area in Gujarat, India. Indobaijin Chemicals Pvt Ltd, the joint venture that resulted in the setting up of an ultra-modern and futuristic manufacturing plant for producing 60,000 tons per annum of CS2 by using natural gas as a basic raw material, started its commercial operations in April 2014. With its state-of-the-art green technology, Indobaijin Chemicals Pvt Ltd replaced charcoal with natural gas as a raw material, which results in saving 50,000 tons of wood per year. Being equipped with a TGTU, tail gas treatment unit, enables the plant to recycle 99.9% of sulfur, resulting in elimination of air pollution. This state-of-the-art facility takes pride in being a zero liquid discharge unit. It recycles all the water generated within the unit and uses the exothermic heat of reaction to generate steam, which is used for running steam turbines. The plant has zero dissipation, as no chemically contaminated water is discharged out of the plant, and only the least outlet gases are released directly into the atmosphere. Designed and constructed as per the international guidelines, this ultra-modern plant manufactured CS2 for the first time on 28th April 2014. The plant was on spec from day one. IMS certification was obtained from TUV Nord in 2015 to ensure safe and well-established processes. With 6,500 metric ton storage capacity for CS2, Indobaijin has the largest storage capacity in the world, whereby it can ensure uninterrupted supplies to its customers. The tanks are protected by a remote control water fire hydrant system, a component of active fire protection. This intelligent system has been put in place to ensure a competent firefighting system during emergencies. Large amount of water is stored in the building around the CS2 tank, enabling the plant to take quick responsive action in case of emergencies. Sulfur recovery efficiency at Indobaijin Chemicals Pvt Ltd is in excess of 99.9%. highest achieved in India till date among such plants. Since its inception in the year 2014, Indobaijin Chemicals Pvt Ltd has achieved some enviable landmarks. Indobaijin has been able to conquer the domestic market share from 0 to 60%. The door delivery concept of Indobaijin has been widely appreciated in the domestic market. But to IBJ, it is more than just a concept. It is an effort towards ceaselessly ensuring the safety of CS2 transportation. Indobaijin currently has a fleet of 105 T14 ISO tanks, which makes doorstep delivery a safe and secure option for transportation of output. Drivers are well trained and only the trucks equipped with the ABS braking mechanism and GPS tracking device are used for transportation. Innovations and insights gained through R&D help Indobaijin to reduce costs. That is why it invests substantially on research and development in order to diagnose the limitations and stay ahead of market trends. Today, if IBJ has conquered a market share of 60% in the domestic market, it is largely because of their highly trained and competent employees. The collective effort and hard work of everyone at Indobaijin has helped it establish a strong customer base, both nationally and internationally. The company actively contributes towards corporate social responsibility and considers it to be an integral part of its operations.
Is a perfect example of synergy between two organizations, two cultures, and technology and art of doing business. It was a very much visionary and optimistic business model for Indobaijin. We are a young and dynamic team having a zeal to achieve ongoing milestones in the business. Our untiring efforts to meet customers' expectations make us differentiating in process, product, and reliability. That is the reason we are most preferred partners for our product and services. Our vision is to achieve high level of safety norms always in every aspect of the business, state-of-the-art process for natural resource management, giving green and clean technology. Our journey towards multiple growth and plan of forward integration make this place motivating, challenging, and enthusiastic.
Indobaijin business was conceived as a risk mitigation strategy for Indophil Mancozeb business. We wanted to get the best of CS2 technology so that we can produce and supply CS2 to Indophil plants in Dahej to ensure the competitiveness of the Indophil's Mancozeb business, which accounts for almost 60% of Indophil's business profit. But when we met Shanghai Baijin in Shanghai, China, late Mr. K.K. Modi, who was the chairman of Indophil, suggested to Shanghai Baijin to become a joint venture partner. The idea was to get continuous upgradation of technology of CS2 because Shanghai Baijin are the global technology leaders in CS2. And Shanghai Baijin agreed to the suggestion of Mr. Modi, and the joint venture was formed not only as a partnership between Indophil and Shanghai Baijin, and also as a partnership between a Chinese business and an Indian business. And in last 5 years, Indobaijin has made tremendous progress. Plant is now perhaps the most efficient and safe CS2 plant in the whole world, and this has been acknowledged by Shanghai Baijin themselves. This business model perhaps is going to now result in several such partnership and joint venture between Indian business houses and Chinese business houses, bringing the state-of-art technology from China and also foreign direct investment into India, contributing to manufacturing growth in India.
Indobaijin is today gearing up towards being a name to be reckoned with in the international markets, with its key focus on exceptional technology.